So Cupcake and I are going on a marine research vessel in the Puget Sound for her school, right, Peanuts?
Right, and we leave at 7 o'clock in the morning before school starts, and we get back at 4 o'clock.
In 15 minutes. So today is going to be a little different because we're going on a big research ship with her entire 4th grade class, and we have no idea what to expect, so we're going to collect blah, 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 blah. So here we are, downtown. We got off the bus. We're trying to find our boat. We're trying to find the boat?
The worst part, this little animal just eats and eats and eats. It gets completely stuffed. It's so full that it has to do what? Well, it has to poop, right?
You see this little worm right here? He's a scale worm. It's a living toothbrush. It's a commensal. This guy just hangs out on the underside of the sea star and it eats the leftovers. So imagine having worms in your mouth to clean your teeth. Cool.
Alright, so Hunter is going to take this and he is going to throw it on that side when I say go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, now hold on. So give us a little bit of more rope. Yeah, just like that. Noah, you gotta move fast.
Do you see the dark spot? Come back. See the dark spot below the head? That is an eye spot. They're like a cyclops monster with one eye right near their head. It's got a couple big hoops of flesh that it unfolds out of its shell and has soy on them. They whirl those around like little helicopter blades, and our clam goes flying around through the water, filtering out phytoplankton. As our clam grows, it'll keep adding more and more shell on there. Eventually, its shell will get so heavy, it'll drag the clam down to the bottom. It left it, bury itself at the bottom, and start out its life in the bottom as an adult clam.
I like to call them sea stars because they look like fish to you guys. They don't really look like fish, so I call them sea stars. And then next, do we call these arms or legs? I like to call them arms, actually.
Hey, this red rock crab, if it got hold of a finger, it might actually break a finger. That's why we don't let that happen. Crabs are members of a huge group of animals called arthropods. Arthropod means jointed legs.
If this is a beautiful flower, then how many petals does it have? So, is that a completely symmetrical flower though? Not really. If you look at it, it's kind of squashed down a little bit. So they're filter feeders. This is his siphon. These are his shells. He'll squirt. Now, this one is a, first of all, what is it doing? If it was peeing, would I put it on my hands? With my hand? It's just letting water out of its body. It might do that while you're holding it. It's really not a big deal. It's just water.
Does anybody think that Puget Sound is kind of a cool place?
Yeah.